Hey everybody, I'm back. Man, 2022, what a year. We had the COVID, we had the RSV, we had the flu, Karen had surgery. Man, I tell you, it was a hell of a year. We did do some traveling around the world. We went to Egypt and Jordan and saw a whole bunch of stuff. That was really enjoyable, but the rest of it wasn't too good. It wasn't too good of a year. But we're back, and it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I lost some subscribers. I need some subscribers, so just get on there and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, it doesn't cost anything to join YouTube. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. So you got to ask yourself, why haven't I subscribed to Cocktail Tony? Why haven't you? Get on there and subscribe. What's wrong with you? Maui Karen Ann. She's another one. She needs subscribers. She's losing subscribers because we haven't been on there that much, but we're back. 2023 is going to be an awesome year, and we wish you all out there the best year that you can have, and because of that, I'm going to make a cookie cocktail. And this one ought to be a good one. Okay? So, whatever I got. I don't know what I got. I got my mixer. I got ice in there. We're going to put 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. One and a half ounces of vanilla vodka. If you can get the cap on, you get the cap on. 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish cream. 1 ounce of Amaretto. Oh, this looks good already, doesn't it? It sounds good. I love it. 1 ounce of Amaretto. 2 ounces of milk. And we got to shake that up. And this is a good shake. It's like Vino. I'm winking at you because Vino always does the wink. Whoa, that was good. And here we got a nice cold martini glass with chocolate around the rim. I hope this is good for me as it is for you, because if you make it, you got to drink it all, whether you like it or not. Or I'll send you to your room, and you'll have a timeout. And a little bit of whipped cream on the top. And a little flamingo to go with it. Here we go. And there you go.
Yay!
How's it look?
Looks great.
Oh, it is great. Looks like a milkshake.
Does.
Wow, that's awesome. I'm going to make another one of these. That's delicious. I'm going to have another one of these after I'm done here. Well, remember what I always say hello to your mama, and say hello to all your friends, and don't forget, subscribe to our channels. We need your love and participation. Much love to all you. Happy New Year. Cocktail Tony over and out.